What if I told you that some of the most important building blocks of your personality and intelligence come from germs? Germs given to you by your mother, not just your genes or upbringing. It sounds like science fiction, but it's the cutting edge of neurobiology. For decades, we've been taught that germs are the enemy. But what if the opposite was true? What if the right germs, at the right time, were essential to making you, you? Stay tuned, because today we're diving into a shocking discovery. A discovery that links a mother's microbes to her child's brain development for life. Let's talk about something fascinating. Your microbiota. It's a bustling ecosystem of bacteria, viruses, and fungi living in and on you right now. This microbiota is more than just a collection of tiny organisms. It's your microbiome, and it plays a crucial role in your health. We know it helps with digestion, trains our immune system, and keeps harmful bacteria in check. But here's the exciting part. There's a direct communication superhighway between your gut bacteria and your brain, known as the gut-brain axis. And guess what? This entire system starts forming the moment you're born. So, what's the proof about the mother-child germ connection? Researchers decided to test this using mouse models. They compared two groups of baby mice, one group raised by healthy mothers and another born to germ-free mothers. The results were staggering. Those without their mother's microbes had significant differences in brain structure and behavior. They were more antisocial, anxious, and showed cognitive deficits, as if their brains were incomplete. But here's the crucial part. When scientists transplanted healthy microbiota early in life, their development normalized. However, if the transplant happened later, it didn't work. This shows there's a critical window in early development where maternal microbes are essential. Ever wonder how gut bacteria influence the brain in your skull? They don't pack bags. They communicate chemically. Your gut bacteria are like tiny factories, producing metabolites that travel through your bloodstream. These metabolites, like short-chain fatty acids, strengthen the blood-brain barrier. They also guide microglia, the brain's immune cells, shaping neural connections. Without healthy microbes, microglia get faulty instructions, leading to incorrect wiring. It's a delicate dance, with the mother's microbiota providing the essential rhythm, where it gets really profound. This research isn't just about mice in a lab. It has huge implications for human conditions like autism spectrum disorder and schizophrenia. Studies show that children with these neurodevelopmental disorders often have gut microbiomes that are significantly different from neurotypical kids. While we can't say bacteria cause autism, the absence of beneficial bacteria during early development could play a major role in how these conditions manifest. It shifts our understanding from a purely genetic model to a bioecological one. It's not just about the genes you inherit, but the microbial ecosystem that comes with them. In our quest for cleanliness, we might be losing something vital. C-sections, antibiotics, and our sanitized lives could disrupt our microbial allies. These medical advances save lives, but we need to be smarter about their use. So, should we all just roll in the dirt? Not quite. We are holobionts, humans plus a universe of microbes, working together. Your brain story is shaped by genes, experiences, and trillions of tiny microbes. This research opens doors for healthier brain development through probiotics. It's a reminder that our connection to microbes starts with our mothers. What do you think? Isn't it mind-blowing that your mom's germs helped build your brain? Let me know in the comments. If you found this fascinating, hit that like button and subscribe for more biology secrets.